Here's a quick look at the data elements that we have in our platform. We call this our data dictionary. We have 360 of these variables on all US people, 220 million US people, which is almost everybody over the age of 18. We have information on their name, first name, last name, middle name, in some cases prefix. We've got a lot of information on their address. Is it an apartment? Do they live on a rural street? We have geospatial information to include carrier postal routes, but also very importantly, we have latitude and longitude for every household in the data set. And this allows us to do geospatial and zip code related searches, geographic related searches in the data when you're pulling data and when we're doing analysis. We have census tract information in there as well. We have a lot of information on real estate, so property type, when the home was purchased, the first mortgage, second mortgage in a lot of cases. We have the type of house that it is, what kind of heating, air conditioning do they have? Do they have a swimming pool? And this is interesting for real estate examples, but it's also interesting because when we build a model for you on the data you upload, we look up all these things. And if a large house is a driving factor in your use case, then that'll show up in the math. We have telephone numbers for about 95% of the database, and we've got the do not call flags as well in there if you need that. We follow all the fair credit and lending and HIPAA rules as well as the calling rules. We've got some personal information that we're allowed to have in terms of their gender, their date of birth, their exact birthday. We have all that. We have information on their household income, their net worth, and we have a lot of information on occupation as well. We have summary occupations, about 30 of those, and then we have more in-depth occupations. So if you needed to look up people in a particular field, let's say dentists, you would be able to do that in the data. We have that data as well. We do know about kids present in the household. We don't get to know their names, but we do get to know if they're male or female or unknown and the ages there. So that's useful for a lot of applications where it's not the parents you need to know about. It's really what the composition of the children are in the household. We know if there's adults in the house, what type of household size they have. We know their home market value as well. We know if other generations are living in the home. Did your parents come back and move in with you? Are you younger and you move back in with your parents? This is increasingly common in the US, and we have that information. We have a lot of information on consumer purchases. Are you buying items online? Are you buying them through the mail, through club memberships? Are you buying apparel? If it's apparel, is it women's apparel? If it's women's apparel, is it plus size clothes or petite size clothes? We don't get to know point of sale data. Nobody gets to have all the point of sale data, but we do get to know one level above that. For example, is someone in the habit of buying fishing equipment at value price stores? We get to know that. As you purchase things in the economy, that's watched. And then over time, when you show a propensity to do that thing, the credit bureaus will be marking you with having done that. And that's the data that we're giving you access to here. We also know the types of credit cards you have. Are they premium cards? Are they gas cards? Just standard credit cards. Some on investing. So are you an active investor? Are you investing in the stock market? Are you investing in real estate? Are you reading financial news? So if you have a use case around finances, these are good variables. But again, we're looking at them all as we build the model. We also have information on charitable giving. This is actual gifts that are given. So as you show a propensity to give by credit card to these types of causes, that's being marked and book kept as well. So are you donating to children's causes? Are you making political contributions, religious causes? These aren't aspirational. These are things you're actually doing, and that's why these are so valuable. Now, what's the family look like? Is there a veteran in the home? Is it a single parent? Baby care items, are you purchasing those? Grandchildren in the home? Do you have a pet? If it's a pet, do you have a cat, dog, a horse? So those are all things that are in the data and we're analyzing for you and give you access to as well. Reading habits, is it magazines, books, audiobooks? What kinds of things are you reading about? Military history, religious books, that's all there. How are you consuming your digital media and electronics? Are you playing video games? Are you subscribing to streaming services? Although we don't know which streaming service, but we would know that you're subscribing. Hobbies and interests, we have a lot on that. Are you collecting things? Is it antiques? Is it art? Is it stamps, coins, military memorabilia? Or do you have a hobby, woodworking, crafting, those types of things? We have information on that. As well as gaming and travel. Are you going traveling? Is it internationally? Is it domestically? Are you going on cruises? What kind of lifestyle do you have? We have information on that. And then sports and fitness. Are you watching sports on TV? Are you playing sports? Or do you have a sports hobby like hunting or fishing? And then we have information on ethnicity, to include ethnic groups, languages spoken in the home, ethnic backgrounds. And these can be useful as well, and we analyze these as well. So this is the data that we have on almost all US people, and it underpins everything that we have in our dashboard.